Car Hub.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Car Hub. Today, another short video, help you get through your Prius problems together. So, a customer brought in, let me flip the camera again. All right, so a customer had this Prius towed here. It's a Gen 2, 2004 to 2009. And he said that he was just in the parking lot and it shut off. So when we step on the brake, we got nothing. There's no power or nothing. He said when he was in the parking lot, he can smell like a burning smell, and there's no power at all, like I showed you. So I've seen this, I've came across this a couple times. So when he told me about that, I went under the hood. So if you look here, let's prop this up. I've seen this in the past, so this is the first thing that I've looked for, since there's no power at all. This is the AM2 fuse, which is the second fuse down, 15 amp fuse. And as you can see, it is, if it can focus, here, let's get it in the light. It's popped. You can barely see it, but yeah, 15 amp AM2 fuse popped, as you can see right here on, it's this one. So right there. That's the reason why it's not starting. Now you're like, why? Well, why did the fuse pop? So the reason the AM2 fuse popped would be, and again, I'm going from past experiences. I've seen this many times in the past. So this is what we're going off of. The water pump right here. This is the inverter water pump, and it's circle with two hoses, one on top, one on the side. And that's what was gonna be your burning smell, because when they go out, it'll short out. And when it shorts out, it burns until it pops this fuse right there. So we're gonna replace that and change the fuse and send them back on the road. Thank you guys for watching. Again, short, easy video, just getting you guys through your Prius problems or hybrid problems and getting you back on the road is really what we're doing. Please subscribe and like the video, as it helps me out. But yeah, drop in the comments what your problem is with your hybrid or Prius, and we'll see if we can get to them.